Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop easily. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your computer. I'm opening the Google Chrome browser. Now go to the search bar and search for YouTube. Okay, now open the official YouTube website. After opening YouTube, look at the top right corner of your browser and click on the three dots. Now drag your mouse down, and here you will see the option called Cast, Save, and Share. Click on Install YouTube. A small pop-up box will appear on your screen. Now simply click on Install again. Okay, now the YouTube app is successfully installed on the PC. You can see the YouTube app icon on your desktop or Start menu. Now click on Open. And that's it. This is how you can download and install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.